In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build an automatic copper golem chest sorter, just like this one, or this one, or this one. So for this tutorial, you're going to need an item frame or a glowing item frame, some hoppers, copper chests, blocks of copper, carved pumpkins, honeycomb, chests, a pickaxe of any type, glass. You'll need quite a lot of this. You'll also need an axe. Place 4 glass blocks like this. Now place 9 glass blocks like this. Now place another 4 glass blocks like this. Add one more to this side to make it even. Perfect. Now you're going to want to build a whole nother row of this. Now that's done, get your chests and place them exactly like this. And as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 double chests. Now for this last one, you're going to want to place a copper chest here, just like this. Now place a block of copper, just like this. Now you're going to want to get some more glass and place it just like this. Now cover these blocks just like this. Now come inside here and place blocks just like this. Now it should look something like this. Now get your carved pumpkin and place it on top of this block. But just before you do, make sure you place a glass block just here. Crouch and that will enable you to place it on top of the chest. Now you're going to want to place your carved pumpkin on top. Also make sure you have your honeycomb and place the honeycomb on top of the copper golem. Now this is going to link up with these chests, and as soon as it funnels through into here, which usually takes around 30 seconds to a minute, that's when you're going to want to close him in. There we go, he's now walked in. Now we need to close him off, just like so. Now he's locked in here, and your design should look something like this. Now you're going to want to destroy these blocks here. And this is the first step done. Now come over to this block and destroy this block here. Now come over to your hopper, crouch, and then place a hopper directly on top of the copper chest. Just like that. Now if you come down here, you should see that it filters straight into it. Now this isn't essential, but I like to cover this with glass just to be on the safe side. And now you should have something like this. Now in order to go up another level, we need to replicate exactly what we just done here. So place blocks around here. Just like this. This is how it should be looking. Now one thing I forgot to mention, it's an easy fix, but just come over to this copper chest and make sure you wax the copper chest as well. This will stop this oxidizing. Now what we're going to do is build another layer up. So this will be 2 layers up. Now we're going to want to repeat the process and just place chests exactly as I do, like this. Now place your block of copper like so. Now you've got this design. It should look something like this. Now you're going to want to get some more glass, and you're going to want to place it exactly like this. We'll cover this block here. Now, as you can see, we're going to want to build up again like this. Just copy it exactly as I do. This is the easiest way you can build a copper golem chest farm, in my opinion. Right? So now what you're going to want to do from here is make sure everything's blocked off. Yes, the copper golem can only go through there. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. And now we're going to want to place a carved pumpkin on top of this copper block here. And that's going to make a double chest. Place the honeycomb on top. And now wait for him to go through. Perfect. Now he's gone through. Now we can block him off. Now we have to destroy these blocks here. Place a block here. Destroy this block here. Place a hopper on top like this. And now if you only want it too high, you can stop building up. If you'd like to go higher, you just need to continue this process. But now place 2 chests like this. This is the height I'm going to stop it at, just because this video will get way too long. So now place 2 chests like this. And what you're going to want to do from here is crouch, place a hopper on top. Now build up. 1, 2. Now crouch. Now place a chest like this. And another chest like this. And now what's going to happen is you're going to be able to funnel any items you want into here. And they're all going to get organized individually. So for example, as you can see, this deep slate is in this chest here. Now I can put it in any of these chests. Now because they're empty, they will fill up as they go. But for example, if I wanted a lead here, and considering we've got glass, we've got chests, this is the lead. Next it should have been this deep slate after these chests are done, if this makes sense. And what we're going to want to do, if we want deep slate in this chest, we're going to place 1 deep slate in here. Now whenever deep slate gets organized from here, it will go past this chest, past this chest, past this chest, and into the correct chest that you'd like your deep slate in. Remember, if they are empty, they will get filled with whatever item the copper golem has in its hand. If you already have an item placed all the way along the rows in order from the copper chest like this, so for example, a picture frame here, a picture frame here, now what it will do is it will go into this first chest. It will not go into this second chest because we've already got one here. I hope this makes sense. As you can see, this is what the farm should look like. And what you're going to want to do with your item frames is place them on the glass just like this. Now you're never going to want to fill up this end one here or this end one here. Now what you're going to want to do is on this end chest, just come over here and place a double chest like this, 1, 2, and place a hopper going into these double chests just like so. That's how it should look. So any items will get sent that haven't been organized into their chests into this end chest here, and that's how you will find anything that isn't organized. That way you can reorganize it into a chest where you'd like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials.